We are in Probable MCQ series for BFM, and presently today we'll be solving the numerical on module B. Very important numerical, tier 1 and tier 2 capital. Very important one. It will be definitely there in your exam for at least I'll say 5 marks, 1 case study, and one liner. There might be around 4 to 5 questions on the same. Okay, so follow this completely. Okay, let's start. Yesterday's homework. Yesterday I had given you which of the following statements is correct regarding yield curve risk. Yield curve risk. What is yield curve basically? Yield, first, what is yield? Yield means the returns which I get from any investment. It can be bonds, it can be stocks, it can be anything. Okay, in bonds, what do we have the formula? Coupon amount upon the price of that bond or the amount invested. Simple. Coupon amount upon the price of that bond. So yield curve means what then? Yield curve means when I plot all these yields, okay, throughout the life of that bond, so then the curve which I get is known as a yield curve. Okay, so which of the following statements is correct regarding yield curve risk? When the interest rates are floating, banks may price assets and liabilities on different instruments such as treasury bills, call money rates, MIBOR, etc. So when the bank rates are floating, then the banks may charge, means when the rates are floating, then the banks may price the assets or liabilities on any of these floating instruments. Okay, so let's see this one. Second one, a bank needs to evaluate the movement in yield curves and impact in the curve on the portfolio value and income. So this is also true here. A is also true, B is also true. Why? Because when the rates are floating, what do you mean by floating? Floating rate means it is basically either T-bills or means government T-bills or government bonds or government or the MIBOR rates. Okay, so either that. So A is correct. What about B? So impact, bank needs to continuously evaluate the movement in the yield curve. That's obvious. If the bank doesn't track the yield curve, how will they price their products? See, if the liability is raised through 91 days T-bills and used to fund an asset of 364 days, it will yield to a yield curve risk. Obviously it will yield. Why? Because liability is raised through what? 91 days T-bills. So it means what? Liability. This is a liability. Okay, it means I have taken money from somebody with 91 days T-bills, and that money I have used to give the loan of 364 days, 1 year. So in a year there will be around 4 cycles of this T-bills. Now if in this between, if in these 3-4 cycles, if the rate of interest changes, then but this loan I have already given at a fixed rate, so I am at a yield curve risk. So answer is all of the above. Okay, so here this is very important question, because you need to this point number 3 explains you the concept of yield, changing yields. Okay, tier 1 capital is bank's core capital, which consists of shareholders' equity and retained earnings and revaluation reserves. So remember, tier 1 capital will have all these: stakeholders' equity, retained earnings and revaluation reserves. Now one more point regarding this. Let me see if it's there given or no. So let me explain you few points about this. Tier 1 capital will have 2 parts. Always remember this. T1 will have 2 parts. T1, I'll write it over here. T1. Oh, I think so. I should write with yellow. One sec. Yeah. So T1 will have 2 parts. Okay. One is CET1, CET1, and second is AT1, additional tier 1. Okay. So always remember, tier 1 will have 2 parts, CET1 and AT1. So this shareholders equity, retained earnings, these are all the parts of CET1. Even revaluation reserves are a part of CET1. Okay, so what is there in AT1 then? AT1, it's not given over here. So it is PNCP, 2 parts, mainly 2 parts. PNCP, perpetual non-cumulative preference shares, and second one is IPDI, innovative perpetual debt instruments. Okay, these are the 2 ones. So these are there in AT1, and in CET1 we have equity, retained earnings. Now retained earnings includes net profit, remember. Okay, and revaluation reserves. So revaluation reserves are taken at what? They are taken at 55% discount. So I'll say they are taken at 45%. So it means that if I am having the revaluation reserve of rupees 100, So I'll take only 45 rupees in that calculation. Okay. Tier 2. Tier 2 is the hybrid capital instruments, includes hybrid capital instruments and subordinate debt. So this is the part of tier 2. Okay. Hybrid capital and subordinate debts. In addition, tier 2 capital incorporates general loan and loss reserves and undisclosed reserves. So this will include this general loan and loss reserves and undisclosed reserves as well. Okay. Now what is this general loan? Loan means this is general loan loss reserve, means basically whatever losses can happen. Basically remember, tier 2 is the paid capital, paid. Okay. Now before going ahead, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, test, everything. So download it right now. Now let's solve the numerical. In a bank, T1 capital is given as 1000 crores, T2 capital is given as 1200 crores, RWA for credit risk is given as 10,000, capital charge for market risk is given as 500 crores, capital charge for ops risk is given as 300 crores. Find the tier 1 and total CRAR. So how to solve this? Firstly remember, whenever you solve any tier 1, tier 2 problem, you always should remember one basic formula, that is what? CRAR equals to, I'll write over here, CRAR equals to, who can write? Give me the answer in the comment section. CRAR equals to capital upon, correct, capital upon what? Upon RWA, correct, risk weighted asset. Okay. Capital is of two types. Okay, always remember, capital is of two types, T1 plus T2. Okay, RWA is of three types. Okay, this credit, market and ops. Okay, credit, market, ops. So these are the three types of RWA. So all the three you have to find out. Okay, so capital is what? T1 plus T2. What is T1 plus T2? Say this. Tier 1 capital is given as 1000 crores, T2 capital is given as 1200 crores. Now important part over here is, very important part, T2 cannot be greater than T1. Here I'll write it over here, cannot be greater than T1. I've crossed this. So this T2, even though it's given as 1200 crores, what will I do? I'll take for calculations only 1000 crores. So T2 equals to 1000. Why 1000? Because T1 is what? T1 is 1000. So whatever is T1, maximum I can take only up to that value. If T2 would have been given 800, then I would have taken complete 800 because it was less than this T1. So remember, T2 cannot be greater than T1. Clear? Type yes in the comment section if everyone is clear with this concept. T2 cannot be greater than tier 1. Okay. Now, what is my total capital then? So my total capital becomes, shall I write over here? Okay, let's write. Capital equals to T1 plus T2. So 1000 T1, I'll write over here T1 plus 1000 T2. Alright. So it becomes what? Total 2000. So for calculation purpose, my total capital becomes 2000 CR. Okay. Now the numerator I know, capital I know. Now I want RWA. What is the RWA over here? Let's find it out. Okay. So RWA, how to find it out? Okay, I might have done the calculations also. Let's see. Before going ahead, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting latest updates on JIB, CIB, number 1, and number 2, very important, free YouTube series on all the subjects of JIB and CIB and all the marathons. The marathons you'll get it over here only. So click on the bell icon immediately, okay? Now this calculation, see this, I've done the calculations over here only. So CRAR equals to what? Capital upon RWA. We found out that capital was 2000 CR over here. See this, 2000 we have already found out. Now we want RWA. Now RWA means, how to find this RWA? RWA is for 3 basically, credit, market and ops. So what is given? Something might be given. Let's see what is given. Okay, look at this. RWA for credit is given. Okay, it's over here. So RWA, RWA for credit is given 10,000. Do I know the RWA for market? Do I know the RWA for ops? No. But what do I know? I know one important part, that is CRAR. Okay, the standard CRAR by RBI is 9%. That's what I know. Now what do I want? I want the RWA for credit, I want the RWA for market, and I want the RWA for ops. So credit I already have, leave it, don't worry about that. Market, what is the capital charge for market? 500 crores. So what is my CRAR? What is the formula for CRAR? CRAR equals to, just now we saw it, say this over here. So I'll write it directly over here. CRAR 9%. 9% equals to capital. What is the capital for markets here? Now we are only focusing on market. Market. Okay. So what is the capital charge for market over here? Market is given as what? 500. So 500 upon what is the what do I want? RWA. RWA. Okay. So that is the formula again, capital upon RWA. So capital I know, CRAR I know, and RWA I don't know. So what will I do? I'll find out RWA. So RWA equals to, now this is for capital, this is for market only, right? This is, we are dealing for market. So I'll write here market. RWA for market equals to 500 divided by 9%, means 0.09, right? 9 upon 100, yeah, 0.09. So do it, 500 upon 0.09. So it comes out to what? Do it, everyone do the calculations. So it comes out to, everyone fast, yeah? It comes out to, see this, 5555. Okay, so market, it comes to 5555. Look at this, 5555. Okay, similarly find out for ops now. Ops is what? Same logic again. What is ops? What is the figure for ops? 300, right? So we'll do it over here. Have I done it over here somewhere? No. So we'll do it over here now. Let me show you. So RWA for ops, RO I'll write it. Okay, equals to what? 300. 300 was the capital charge upon 9%, 0.09. So it comes to what? 0.3333. Say this. If you do the calculations, you'll get it 3333. Everyone, I'll just wait. Everyone try this on your calci. Are you getting the answer? 5555 and 3333. Everyone, tell me fast. Are you getting the answer? Type yes in the comment section. Everyone type yes if you have got it. So got it? Yeah. Yes. I'm seeing certain yeses. Okay. So I assume you have done it. So now let me add this. What is my total credit, market, ops now? Credit was 10,000. Market was 5555 and ops is 3333. So add this. Once you add this, what do you get? You get 188888. Okay, 188888. Have I done this over here? Yeah. See this. I have shown the calculations also over here. 5555 over here. For this ops is 3333, right? So now once you know this, just add them. Adding you get this 188888. So you get 10,000 plus 5555. These all marked in yellow. Okay, 10,000, 5555 and 3333. Add this. So you'll get it as 1888. So look at this. T1 plus T2 is what? 2000. What is my 1888 over here, right? So I want what? What is my question? My question is tier 1 CRAR and total CRAR. So here I am getting total CRAR first. So total CRAR equals to 2000 upon 1888. What is the formula? Capital upon RWA. So 2000 upon 1888 into 100 percentage. So do it. You will get the answer as, let me check what is the answer you are getting. 2000 upon 1888 into 100. What is the answer you guys are getting? Everyone, you are getting 10.58, correct? Yes. So you are getting 10.58. So it is correct, 10.58. So is this correct? Is this okay or not? What is the standard CRAR by RBI? 9%. So this is bigger. So it's okay. What about T1? We want two answers, right? One was total. This is what total. I'll write it over here. Total. Okay, this is total. And T1 is what? T1 is T1 capital, same formula. Formula doesn't change. So capital upon RW. Capital, which one will I take? I want T1 now. So I'll take only T1 capital. So T1 upon RW. RW doesn't change. RW is the same. Okay. So 1000 upon 18888 into 100. So I'll get it as, everyone try this. It should be half of this because this was 2000. This is 1000. So it is half of this. You will get it as 5.29. So is this okay? No, this is bad. Why? Because what is the minimum ratio of CRAR for T1? It is 7%. So here I am getting 5.29. So here I am in the problem, right? So that's why you have got both the answers over here. Total CRAR of 10.58 and T1 CRAR of 5.29. This is the way you have to solve the numerical in exam. You will get one numerical for 5 marks surely on this. Okay? Yeah. So has everyone understood this? Firstly, the concept is you must understand it. Has everyone understood this? Everyone? Type yes in the comment section. Okay? Shall we move ahead? Okay. Chalo, one for your homework now. Risk weighted asset for credit risk is 3000. Capital charge for market risk is 700. Capital charge for ops risk is 400. Find the total RWA. Now this is for your homework. Everyone try it. If you can, answer it right now also. Answer me in the comment section. Okay. Now before going, let me show you the batches here. The exams are just near right. Okay, right now. So what I would suggest, go and join the batches immediately. Okay, let me show you the batches because, yeah, join the batches immediately. There are two types of batches available for you. One is the revision batch. So revision batch, you can join it, or else if you don't have time because of the banking pressures, you can join the video courses batch. How to join? Go to Adda 24/7, and if you are having the app, I would suggest you download the app first. Then click on CAIIB 23. Okay, you will see the batches. See this revision batch. Go for this revision batch immediately. Use the code Y432. Remember, this code will give you the maximum discounts. So click on this. See the details you'll get. What are the dates, what are the timings, study plans, everything you are getting over here. Then importantly, I'll tell you, you have recorded sessions available. So if you miss out on any class, you can definitely get back. Look at the code. See here. Look at the fees. 399. It's 75% off. But wait, I'll give you more discount. Click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Y432. Click on apply. See this 77% off you are getting. You are saving, right? So 15999 reduces to 3679. You are saving a lot on this. Join it immediately. Also, I would suggest video courses batch. See this video courses batch. Again, I'll show you. See, go to Adda 24/7 again. Click on CAIIB 23. Okay. Then scroll down. Once you scroll down, these are the video courses batch. Look at this. Okay. In video courses batch, you get all the videos of all the subjects. Okay. Importantly, and remember the you can look at the study plan. Everything is given over here. What all is covered. Okay. All the numericals, objective questions, case studies are covered. Look at the fees part again. Put on click on more offers. Put the code Y432. Never forget this code. Y432. Okay. Click on apply. Look at this. 22,999 reduces to 5289. 77% off you are getting. So join it ASAP. Exams are just now. So you have to join the classes and get cleared this exam.